We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about shape Boolean. Generally we use shape Booleans to combine splines into new shape. Booleans operations can be used to combine any combinations of splines, both closed and open. Here we will demonstrate different spline Boolean options in 3ds Max. Before proceeding into the Boolean operations, convert any one shape into an editable spline. After that, attach the remaining shapes with this editable spline using attach options. Here we will discuss three types of Boolean. Union, subtraction, and intersection. Union. Union unifies both shapes. Select in spline, union on, pick Boolean. Apply extrude modifier. Subtraction. Removes the intersecting sections from the base shape. Intersection. Intersects the overlapping volume common to both original shapes. Intersection on. Thanks for watching this video.